I'll tell you, I'm still in this weird purgatory place. For context, this is only a couple days after that other video, so some of the paperwork's not fixed. But these are things I have laying around. This is the track for the door in between the cab, let's call that the sunroom, the cab and the back. So, all right. Okay, this is 45 inches, right? Meaning that in the pocket hole door that I'm making, 22.5 will disappear behind the driver's seat. Goes up there. Woo, look at that fit. You want to hear a revealing statistic? If you're following along, I sold my Jeep, I got $20,000 for it. The goal was $10,000 for the truck, $10,000 for the remodel. I have blown through the entire $20,000. Now, in all fairness, there are expensive things for this build that are in the house that I cannot do right now. So, $4,500 worth of solar, the refrigerator, air condition. So, even though this is far from being done and I'm out of money, I still believe it's $100 here and there, and most of the items are here. So we're working on the door because I made this fit so perfect. Yeah. Okay. 28 by 42, can you remember that? Oh, yes. I made this. This may be the door, this may not be the door. It definitely needs to be resanded. Listen, it works, it's not complete. I'm actually disappointed in my handiwork, but I need a new blade. And my batteries are dead. So, at the time of filming, this truck still doesn't move because I don't have the license. Okay, you ready? Oh, I'm too hard on myself. It's good. Whew. But at 3:24, it's all I'm doing today. Yeah, my proper work is going to be determined by the tools that I have, and it's time for some new precision blades for a precise job. This is parked on a slant. It's not a fair assessment, but okay. I'm going to put a magnetic lock in here, connect that. This gets brought down, so conceal this. I'm still going to sand it. My idea was dry fit it, then take it back down. I'm not taking it back down. Just how I'm living for right now. This refrigerator. Now these solar panels came. I feel like I have to check. I think it's in my best interest to see if they arrived intact and not broken. I might have blasted through the $20,000 already, but a lot of the big ticket items have been purchased. It's just I haven't got to that part of the build. overcoming a series of legitimate excuses and enduring frustrating delays with the U-Haul RV conversion, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. The tag and the title issues that have stood in my way have now been conquered, and I stand stronger than ever. Those were legitimate excuses of why I've been slow on the build. I'm gonna pick up where we left off, and right now I am hell-bent on creating a pocket door in between the cab, sunroom, and the back. Confession. The tiniest progress ever. Everything. Like, I had no idea doing this, right? The backdrop of the seat, which is really insulation. Minute, tiny progress. It is 4 p.m. on a Sunday, and this doesn't look like much. It took all day. This serves a purpose to insulate the other side. Because of the pocket door, I couldn't insulate. So a little aesthetic. Believe it or not, this took all day. So on some other day, this is gonna be walnut. It's not, it's gonna be black. Just go for black. But believe it or not, doing this is part of doing this. So you realize everything I just did is down here. This insulation is something different. I have some time tomorrow, so I think I'm gonna nibble at this. But that's not part of this vlog. You know, earlier I said, there's nothing in my way. Well, there's a lot in my way. But a little progress is still progress.